Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you a little bit about when you're shipping your blades. Most sharpeners have these blade boxes. Here's one that I got in. See, they all go in there. You can fit 14 slots in this box, and if you have like 30s or 10s, you can kind of put 2 in a slot, like sideways, opposite. And then they have this awesome cover with foam in there. And when it's all together, you got this. Very compact. You can hear it moving around, but they're all secure. You definitely want to tape it or rubber band it shut, because if it opens up a little bit, the blades can kind of jump around. This one's a little different style. It's for the wide blades, because we know you guys are using those. So the slots are a little wider, but same thing. And I hope this helps. Instead of wrapping each blade individually or whatnot, you can buy them pretty much from any sharpener. And if you send a sharpener over 10 blades, I usually, if you don't have one, I'll send it back with you. And most sharpeners do that, I think. They don't cost us much, but they save you guys a lot of money, and they'll save us money if we're not damaging your equipment in the return process. So just wanted to say, try getting those for your blades. If you have wide blades and small blades, get them both. I don't mean small, I just mean the A5. That's like the style. It's A5 blade. And then you have the wide blade. A5, wide. You can see they're different sizes. So, hope this helps some of you. And have a good day. And remember to oil!